Yeah, we're going to do number 4. We're going to do number 4. Solving for the frequency factor. The frequency factor. Okay. And again, let me give you the R. Okay, so you know you use that each and every time. Okay. Because you are looking for the frequency factor, your A. Without going through all the derivations like I did before, I'm just going to give you the formula and we're going to plug in the numbers accordingly. Okay. Oh, thank you, Safa. You know what? The only way I would be able to be multiplied in every state is through what we're doing now, because we got everybody from all different states and countries. But yes, I appreciate your kind words. Thank you. Y'all know you're going to be about that color code in life. Here we go. Here's your K. Look for the units. The units tells you also what you're working with. Okay? Here's your E of A. You already know your R. Okay? You already know the R. And they also gave you the T. So guess what? Just plug in the numbers. Okay? Just plug in the numbers. That's it. So here we go. A equals your K, 4.0 times 10 to the negative 4th per second. And also know too that your units will cancel out, but also know that whatever the unit is for, because you're looking for frequency, that deals with time. You already know that these units are going to cancel out to give you your time value. Again, this is in kilojoules per mole. Multiply that times 1,000. So you end up with 50,000 joules per mole. Okay, right there. Okay, so E to the negative. So on the very top, I'm going to put 50,000 joules per mole divided by gas constant, 8.314 joules per mole dot Kelvin times temperature, 310 Kelvin. Yes, I know this is a lot to do, but again, that's what happens. Okay, this is what happens. Now, what you're going to do is go ahead and cancel out the units so we don't have to keep writing those in. Okay, we're just canceling out the units so we don't have to keep writing those in. Now, what you're going to do over here, I'm going to say 4.0 times 10 to the negative 4th per second, because that's the only unit that you're going to have because it's frequency, e to the negative. So go ahead and do your 50,000 on top divided by. So go ahead and take the 8.314 and multiply that times 310, okay? 8.314 times 310, that gives me 2577. Okay, we only need 4 of those numbers. Again, it seems redundant for me to write all of this out, but again, I promise you, you're able to go back to see what your mistakes were. Okay. Go ahead and divide 50,000 by 2577, and I get 19.4. Now, get your e to that negative 19.4. $3.756, something like that. But I got 3.76. I'm rounding off to your significant digits. 3.76 times 10 to the negative 9th. And when I divide those two numbers out, I get 1.1 times 10 to the 5th per second. So that is my A. That is my frequency. Okay.